What's happening here, folks? Oh, it's a two-door post. Okay, I was looking at that. From a distance, I thought it was a four-door. Check that out. Falls Church, Virginia. Restomoded. Man, body is nice. My goodness. Another beautiful car. No swirl marks. I saw a tiny little swirl mark on the other side. There's one right there. Other than that, yeah, I see a couple back in there on this deck lid. Other than that, dude. Alright, we have reached the end. Let's go down the other side and maybe take a break for some lunch too.